Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you step by step on how you can use the monday.com application, and I hope that after finishing this video you will get a better idea on how to use it. So let's start. So in a moment when you are going to be in the app, you're going to find here the home, and you're going to find here, for example, my work, and in my work you're going to find the tasks that are assigned to you, or you have option to even like add here new items directly in work. We will get to it. Then notifications like the unread, or if you were like mentioned. And in a home, you're gonna find here, for example, your favorites boards that you can like edit. And when we're gonna have a boards, you can just like edit and directly click on it, or recently visited, or workspaces. So we're gonna start with the workspaces. On the workspaces, as you can see, you're gonna have like your own first board if you just like created an account. And I already have here the basic CRM. So you have option to go on the bottom right and click plus. When you are going to click plus, you can create a new board completely for yourself, or you have option to choose between plenty of templates. When, let's say, I can click here, preview a template, right? How it looks like. Or I can have like contacts, or I can like team tasks. So here you can choose a template, or you can create a new board. Now, how does it work is that in a moment when you are going to be in your, let's say, let's go with the first board, what you can actually find here. So first we're going to have the columns of items. Then we have like some groups here, and we can add columns, but let's start from the top. There you're going to have a main table. So what you can do is that you can add multiple views for monday.com. So I can click here and add a Kanban view. Okay. Then I can add also a different view. And let's say that I want to add a calendar view. And now look at that. So right now we have the main table, we have the calendar, we have the Kanban, and it's like pretty easy to do, right? So this is for the view how it works. On the next to the table, you are going to find here the plus, and you can add a new item, new column, or a new group. So let's start with the new item. As you can see, we have directly the text here, so I can get like, this is a task that I want to do. I can click add here. Now, what you can do, you can open the task, and all the columns are going to be directly also on the task. So you can edit it right here. Or you're going to have the updates, where you can write the first update on the item, or even the files. So I can click here the columns where I'm going to have like the sub items, the person, the status, the date. Or I can click here, and let's say I'm going to click person here, and I can choose myself. Or I can move, I can change the status to done, or like working on it. Then also the date. And what I can do, I can add column. So here I can like status, people, date, text, number, timeline, tags, or I can even add like a checkbox, or I can click more columns. And here you can have like a list of all the columns that you can add. It really depends like what you want to do. So I can click here, and I can go to add a column, and let's say that I want to add a number. And now people were able to write here the number. Or I can add a column here, and let's say that I would like to add a checkbox. So now we have like 2 out of 4 checkbox. So this is for the columns, which is like pretty straightforward. Then on a plus, you're going to have the column that we've added, and also new group. So as you can see, we have like the group 1, we have the group 3, or like group 2, and like this is going to be the group 3. Okay, add a group. So this is what you can actually do here, and then you would like add an item. Of course, what you can do is that you can move between the groups, the items, that if there will be like specific group for items. Now also for the main table, you can find here options to add a Kanban view. So if you're going to click on the Kanban view, I really like it, how it looks like, that you're gonna have like the working on it, and you're gonna have like, this is the task that I want to do. Also, this is the stuck, or this is the done. So you can also do the filtering right here. And as you can see, for example, the status, the date, and like plenty of like filters. That's pretty straightforward forward. I can click Save View. And that's for that. Now, even for the Kanban view, if you would like, you are going to find here the tasks here. And I can click back to the main table. And I can add the item. So that's pretty much how it works on the boards. Now, what you can do then is that here, when we're going to have the favorites, I can click plus and I can add the board here. Right? So now I can just like move between them and have them directly on the screen when I open the app, when I want to do something. Now, when I look here on the today, past dates, or like on this week, you can actually like see here like assignments for yourself. And then I can click plus on the bottom right and I can like, okay, this is what I need. Like, let's say call mom. And board, we can have like first board. And group 1, okay. And item was successfully created. So this is where you can actually find the item. And that's pretty much how it works. It's like the app is very simple to understand. And there you can like add like multiple tasks, multiple things. Now, when you're gonna have the 3 dots here, I just want to share with you that you're gonna have like the team here, the update feed if you're gonna have like updates, this kind of like notification settings, and then also you have like the theme here. So I can have it like light if I want, if you prefer that, or you can have it like dark. So that's what you can actually do. And this is how the light version looks like. So that's pretty much it, guys. So hope this video provided a little bit of value on what you can do and how you can use it. If something is like not understandable or like it doesn't make sense, let me down below in the comments. I just want to make this kind of like the introduction video for you on what you can do with monday.com, because yes, you got all the views here. Let's say calendar view, right? And then you're gonna have the tasks here. Then between the calendars and everything, you can like switch. Then you're gonna have like multiple columns here that you can add. Right? Formula, for example. And when you have, for example, the item, then I can click here and you can edit things. So that's it. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. Hope this video helped you. You can also like Sidekick, the AI for monday.com. So thank you very much, guys, and hope this video provided a little bit of value what you can do and how you can use it. And have a great day and goodbye.